Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
No
legend.
longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit.
Hey. Your boy GizzyCredit. What's good, my people? Thank you so much for logging on. Thank you very much for being here. Your boy GizzyCredit here. Fixed credit, 10 years plus. We have our own YouTube podcast now for the new people logging on. Thank you so much for listening in. For you people who have followed me for years, what's good with you? Anyways, got some more credit repair results videos. This time, I'm not actually taking my credit repair results videos from Instagram. I'm making it on Ecamm Live right now. So that's the thumbnail for the video. It will be a thumbnail that's gonna be this big. So you'll see it on my on what you would call it on my YouTube video thumbnail. That's just like a vertical one. But anyways, let's check out these credit repair results, because a lot of you you have been seeing credit repair results from me for a long time, especially this kind of video playlist of me just giving out credit repair results. So thank you so much for logging on. Let's review. So as you can see right here, these are credit repair results for this customer out in Owings Mills, Maryland. Thank you so much for all the Maryland people who constantly call me for credit repair. This is her Experian credit repair results. We deleted one negative account. Now we go right over here and we're going to see her TransUnion removals. The other one was Experian. This is her TransUnion removals. As you could see, all these negative accounts deleted, all in the first round of her credit repair results. So definitely looking forward to giving her more results. Now we have to wait for her results to come for Equifax. And now we will review Bakersfield, California. Shout out to all the Bakersfield people who constantly keep me busy. A lot of California customers and a lot of referrals from California. And you trust your boy GizzyCredit team here in the East Coast. Thank you so much. Every day somebody in California calls us. Anyways, let's review this customer from Bakersfield, California. As you can see right here, Aldo's and Associates, DeVille Management, HP Sears, Waypoint Resources have been deleted. Shout out to her, and good results for her first round. So now, my people, we're going to review this credit file on Equifax. So, we dispute with all three bureaus, and we always tell people that it's a process to remove every negative account from each bureau. Sometimes we remove everything in the first 30 days. Sometimes it could take a couple of months to remove everything. But a lot of people come to me, you have bankruptcy. And I always get this question asked, can you remove bankruptcy? Even after a playlist of videos, which this video will be on a playlist, probably right up here, okay? And they always ask me the same question over and over after they watch me for years. Many of that happens all the time, every day. Anyways, a lot of people don't know, they watch one video. They always talk about, can you remove bankruptcies from the credit report? Let's review this customer right now, as we can see. And if you see right over here, we were able to remove this Capital One Auto Finance. Okay, a lot of you have this Auto Finance. It has been deleted. But most importantly, right, let's review this credit file right here. And we're going to be able to see right now that you see right here, public record information. The second include public record items Equifax obtained. And you see right over here, this information disputed, all right, case ID resulted item being deleted. Tennessee federal bankruptcy deleted from the credit report. That's what's up. We got another ED financial item has been deleted, and we have another Credit One Bank has been deleted. We only have one last negative to remove from this account. Good for this customer. I always tell people, hey, this is a process, and hey, if you're going to be patient with it, we could definitely give you results. But good for her that her Equifax bankruptcy has been removed. let's keep going. So now we're gonna go back to this customer from Augusta, Georgia, which was one of the last customers that we took back in 2014, 15, when we stopped taking customers from Georgia because there was a lot of scammers out there. But we now take customers from Georgia all the time. Every day somebody in Georgia calls us. Thank you so much for the very patient customers that we get from GA. Anyways, this customer from Augusta, Georgia has more results on his credit file. Let's review his Experian credit repair results. We see right here, Convergent Outsourcing has been deleted. Still has other negatives that remain, but if we could see some more negative accounts have been removed. Capital One, and yes, we have other negatives that still need to be removed, but still great results for this customer. He's going to continue seeing results, and like we say to people, it's a process. Let's continue now with more credit repair results for other customers. So now we're gonna look at these credit repair results for a customer in Atillo, Puerto Rico. Shout out to all the people in Puerto Rico. Yes, people in Puerto Rico. That's a commonwealth from the United States. Anyways, Puerto Rico definitely is another state or country that is U.S. and they need credit repair. They could get credit repair all the time. Some people call me from PR all the time. This customer did. Let's review his TransUnion credit repair results. As we can see right here, Collection Bureau, Hudson Valley has been deleted right down there. Anyways, customer always asks, if this is it. If we only dispute one time, no, man, we're gonna dispute until every negative account is removed from your credit file, so you have a better chance in getting whatever it is that you want to accomplish with your credit. Great results for this customer. Everyone sees credit repair results. Now we have another customer, this time from Baltimore, Maryland. A lot of DMV people hit me up on a daily basis for credit repair. Matter of fact, I know a lot of you have seen videos of me coming through for a lot of truck drivers out in Maryland area. Shout out to you. Anyways, let's review this customer from Maryland. As we can see from her TransUnion online results, Capital One, Credit One Bank, Debt Recovery Solution, Receivable Management. 1, 2, 3, 4 negative accounts have been removed from her credit file. That's what's up. Anyways, let's continue with some more credit repair results. How you guys liking this little thing I got going on right now? I love it. So we have another customer, this time from, I believe it's spelled Antioch. I believe it. You say it. Antioch, Tennessee. Is that it? Antioch. Anyways, got results for this customer out of Antioch, Tennessee. Let's review his TransUnion credit repair results. Six deleted items in the first 30 days. So let's review right now. As you can see right here, Credit One Bank, Navient student loans have been removed, and we could see right here Robinson, Tennessee Department of Human Resources has been removed as well, and then disputed information still here, but still great results for this customer. I'm telling you, Tennessee people constantly keep us busy for credit repair. Let's see if we get some more customers results on the next clip. Now we have results for this customer from South Ozone Park, New York. Shout out to everybody in Ozone Park in the East Coast who constantly call me for credit repair. Let's review this customer's credit report. As we can see right over here, we're gonna review his Experian removals, Capital One Bank, Gateway Lending, Gateway One Lending, another Gateway One Lending. But let's also review his Equifax when we came through for him. Okay, we're gonna go right over here and see that we were able to remove his Santander consumer item has been deleted from his Equifax credit report. I just want to say thank you so much for people who log on. We're about to complete 10 minutes, so I'm gonna keep it under 10 minutes all the time. Thank you so much for watching. You could right over here buy me coffee, Cash App, GizzyCredit. Thank you for everyone that we come through for. Your boy GizzyCredit here.
You no longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit. get scammed.